Hello guys and welcome back. Last time we covered the BNB front run bot. This time I have an updated version for the BNB Flashloan bot with a few optimization on gas and also support via arbitrage flash loans. So let's start with the first step to download MetaMask. Right now other wallets like Trust Wallet etc. are not supported. This bot only works on Windows, Linux and Mac OS and on the supported browsers you see down here. Just click on install MetaMask for Chrome. In our case, we are using Google Chrome, and this is what I also recommend you. So after the installation, just follow the process to create your MetaMask wallet. If you did that, just click here on MetaMask, open the settings, then network, and on add network, fill in everything for the smart chain. But I assume that you already are familiar with the Binance Smart Chain. When you finish this process, just open Remix. You will find this in the video description as well. Click on create new file. We call this now TI loan. Then a new blanket appears. Here we pass in our actually contract string. And this also always pops up. Just hit OK. Then we head over to the deploy and run transaction. Inject provider MetaMask. Then we are going to MetaMask. Hit the connect button. And then our wallet is finally connected. And also make sure under account you see your wallet and it's always shown in Ether, even though we are using BNB in our case. Then we are going to the Solidity compiler, choosing the compiler version 0.5.5 plus commit, include 90 bytes, hit the compile button, wait a few seconds, and then on the left it should be appearing a green mark on the Solidity compiler, and also under contract it's need to say TI flashbot BNB. When you did that, we head back to the deploy and run transaction. Here's a drop-down menu, hit the drop-down menu, we are calling our bot now also TI and symbol TY. And on loan amount, this is really important. On loan amount, we are multiplying the BNB we are using with 1000. So basically, if we are using in our case 5 BNB, we set the amount to 5000. Even though if you're using under 1 BNB, keep it to a minimum 1000. Then we hit the transact, pay the fees, and wait for the confirmation. There we get our confirmation and the contract is finally created. You see it also down here. I want to give you guys also a quick breakdown on the Flashloan code as well, and also explain you guys what is updated this time. To make it simple, I reduced the cost efficiency of the bot itself, so it takes now much less fees compared to the previous version. That is especially important for the Ethereum version, what I recommend you to check out as well if you're planning to increase your income even more, because the volume is much higher on the Ethereum network, so there are also more opportunities. The bot itself follows the same principle as the old one, so you target directly the mempool for opportunities you are able to cover with your initial funds provided. The minimum you can start with is in this case also again 0.5 BNB, but as already mentioned on my previous videos, it's recommended to lose at least 1 BNB or even more, because then you are able to cover large gas equivalent. In our case today we are using 5 BNB, so that you guys get a small overview on how much profit you can expect with such amount. But as always, you can of course withdraw your initial funds you provided. I will show you this later on as well. If you have any kind of question during the process or need help, just check the video description, or you message me on Discord or Telegram as well. So let's continue with the next step. After you hit the deployment button and paid the fees, you initially created the contract. You saw it also when the MetaMask notification appeared. All we need to do now is to top up our bot with the initial funds. Just copy the contract, click here on copy. As I already mentioned, we are using in our case now 5 BNB. Hit confirm. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed as well. Now we get our confirmation. All we need to do now is hit the action button and confirm our last transaction. That was really fast. Now our bot is actually scanning the mempool for Flashloan opportunities. I let now my bot run 2 to 3 hours to show you guys again a few results you can expect with such initial funds provided. Sorry. So see you guys in 2 hours. So now a little bit more than 2 hours passed. Unfortunately, something came in between. So there is no actually withdraw button on the Flashloan bot. Just hit the action button to withdraw your initial funds. Also window appears as well. Confirm the transaction and wait for the confirmation. Again, this was really quick. Now we can check out how much profit we actually made. So we started our bot with 5.05 BNB. So that's an estimated profit around 1.4 BNB. This results you can expect as well with that amount, or something between 0.5 to 2 BNB actually. But you can easily outperform this as well if you're increasing the initial funds provided. Also, I want to say thank you to everyone who helped me out on the Discord and gave me some helpful input. I started also a Telegram channel, so check this out as well. And also, I will release in the next days a written guide. So if this is something for you, you can check this out as well. This was everything. Hope you guys getting good results and see you guys on my next video.